When it comes to running a successful business, you can't have your head in the clouds. You need to know exactly how your company is performing in every area.
You can no longer run your business off of spreadsheets and whims about what's happening with your business. You have to know what's going on. Your customers are demanding that because of how we're having to do our contracts and our pricing. So we've got to have a system that can empower us to make very intelligent decisions.
Professional Services Automation is a cloud-based system from Oracle NetSuite. It's designed to help services organizations. When it comes to forecasting revenue and margins, PSA gives leaders a clear view of their business.
The benefit of the metrics is understanding how are we winning? How often are we winning? Can we lower our margins on a particular bid because we have visibility into what our resources are doing, and we can better structure our teams so we can compete at a better price point or at a faster delivery cycle so we can compete against our competition.
How does PSA help services organizations?
So we've got a manufacturer that specializes in creating scanners for hospitals. They're using NetSuite from a manufacturing perspective, and then they've grown their services organization to help them install and implement these scanners into the hospital. Part of the value of having the PSA system is they're more rapidly able to deliver these scanners to the hospital in a fashion that they can schedule and monitor, so that way they can get it done quicker, so that way more patients can be served.
In this mobile world, we expect more from technology and business. It's important to be able to access real-time data any place at any time. The way we are working is changing, and never-ending meetings using quickly out-of-date information are being transformed by technology. PSA gives up-to-the-minute insight at the touch of a button.
An executive can be on a plane at 30,000 feet and on their tablet, and they can see the performance that's happening. They can send off a note to their staff or make a decision real time. Or a consultant can be walking out of a project and heading to lunch, and they can update their time. They can add notes to the project. So that way everyone can see real time what's happening with the business.
So can a business survive without adopting this new technology?
No, they need to, otherwise they won't survive, much less thrive. One of the challenges that we're seeing is, how do I improve my margin of my services organization without losing my opportunity to win business? And that's an ability to look at my resources and put the right skills at the right time on the right task. And then that's how I can start to control my margins. When we look at an industry that's struggling to consistently exceed a 35% margin, our customers routinely are going over a 40% margin for their resources in their business, which gives them more money and more time to invest into R&D and strategic initiatives so that they can grow their business, they can cross borders, they can take it to the next level because they're not fighting the margin issue.
Cash is king, and you need to keep it flowing. Seamless invoicing saves time and money.
If you look at like a 100-person firm, 1% improvement in their billable utilization could yield somewhere between 1 to 3 million pounds of profit.
Having real-time data gives staff their weekends back and leaders space to look at the bigger picture.
That's where executives want to spend their time. They want to go fix the challenge, resolve the issues. They don't want to sit there and just look at the numbers, because most of them they're human beings too, and they enjoy working and engaging with their staff.